want to make a simple grilled cheese. This is my ingredients. I showed y'all the deli meat because that's an option you can put on it. You don't necessarily have to put that on it. Get your clean pan and put your fire about to medium heat. Then you want to get a nice chunk of butter. Not too much, not too little, because you don't want to have a greasy sandwich or a dry sandwich. Put your butter in your pan, let it melt. Spread over the pan evenly, so that way when you put your bread down, it'll have an even amount of butter to be able to toast correctly. As you can see what I'm doing right there. Then you want to put your cheese on both sides. Do an open face grilled cheese, because it allows the bread to get crispy on both sides and the cheese to melt very smoothly and evenly. Let that sit for about 2 to 3 minutes, and there we have it. A nice crispy golden brown melty grilled cheese. Cut it open, and this will be your result. Look how sexy that is, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you do, hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. I'll talk to y'all later.